Way too many fakes in my face, I can see the evils. Drug addictions, bad bitches, they gotta be jokes. See the pico, black slacks, it's all.
I'm with the gang, boys have a lot of coops.
What's good, yo? We back, RTTV.
What up?
What's good, yo? We back, RTTV.
Gang,
what
gang,
up?
gang.
Goggle.
Trina, don't give it up, Luffy. Trina, don't give it up,
Zoro.
Trina, don't give it up, Nami. Trina, don't give it up, give it up, give it up.
I thought he was gonna go that whole time without pushing me.
I had to say that.
He can't help
theme song
himself.
because my nigga Jerry choked on something. I don't know.
Whoa.
Yeah, I wonder what was going on right there, nigga. What?
On my spit.
Wow.
Robbie said,
I said like the conversation you and Jay having on
Matt Hammer.
Oh, that was, man. I don't know what you was Jay. He called Jay back here.
Y'all got some different cool names over here. I don't know.
What is
that?
that?
Shit. You missed the best episode, by the way.
No,
Oh, wait, Pat. There's one thing that I gotta tell you. I only listen to two people. Nobody and
not you.
Well, guys, moving on. This camera stops recording. If it's your first time here, it definitely won't be your last. Make sure you kill murder is
Smash
that subscribe button.
And make sure you check out that Patreon. We got early info, reactions of this show, and a lot more shows. The link is right down below.
And make sure you give this video a like and have that notification bell ringing for that One Piece playlist. And make sure you follow us on Twitch, RTTV5. We react to some of your favorite movies, TV shows, and play some of your favorite video games live. So make sure you follow, subscribe, RTTV5.
Yeah.
On the last episode, Don Krieg is introduced.
Oh.
And his pirates are supposed to be very strong.
Yeah.
And the last episode, Evan wasn't here, but he's here
Yeah! Shout out to Luffy son.
This nigga looks like Usopp low key, dog.
Nah.
Because Usopp is Cape Verdean!
Yo, shout out to my boy Usopp. He did it for the love. He wasn't letting nothing happen to his girl. He did it for the love, man.
Yes, he
He
likes Usopp. I don't know why. But.
Yo, that's my nigga, bro. He did it for the love, bro.
Because he knows he's Cape Verdean.
Yo, alright, bro. Why you gotta be Cape?
We the Cape Verdean delegation.
We are trading Usopp.
Alright, the strongest pirate fleet. Commander, it's cut off. Episode 22.
Don Krieg.
I think so too, but.
The Don.
Evan.
What are we?
We are! Yeah, he got his ass beat, bro. This sounds like the beginning of Judge Judy, bro.
Don Krieg!
But why you had to disrespect his cooking like that, though, bro?
He's really looking out for the nigga. Come on.
I feel you, but
That's what I'm thinking too. I'm thinking he's saying like, yo, I know you can cook. I know you do this. But
Yeah.
Why you had to disrespect his cooking, man? Shit just fired the nigga.
I'm convinced that's his grandfather. Or something.
Yeah, it's something.
They have
They're
to have
related.
some type of relationship.
Damn, Sanji.
You notice they took all the food off the table?
I didn't even notice that.
Said, well, hold up.
That's some anime shit. And not the food. That's really my nigga Jerry, yo.
With the wine,
Yo, the arm!
Yo! Yeah, Usopp's like, yo, I've been putting in work. You're bugging out right now.
Oh yeah, he's technically supposed to be still working for
Yeah.
them. I forgot about that.
Yeah, we kicked the shit out of Luffy.
We tried to get him for a year. He was like, nah.
2 weeks.
Alright, 3 weeks. That's final. That's all you got.
Zoro's like, I still haven't got head up yet.
You gotta pay for it. Sanji's only giving her free food.
Oh yeah, that's true. I don't see shit yet, bro.
My nigga, oh shit.
She wasted a good glass of wine, Jerry. Oh, I see something now.
Absolutely.
That was awesome.
Yeah, he bodied that scream.
Oh shit! Yeah! That's a big ass ship though.
Nah, that nigga, bro. I'd be intimidated too.
Don Creed, shit like that shit.
Even he shook. And that's Popeye, the Dominican version. Ain't that messed up? I feed somebody, he go get his boy and like, nah, we gonna go back there.
But he did get disrespected before he got fed, my nigga.
At that point, I should just left you.
Nah, Luffy needs a ship like that, bro.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I'm not intimidated,
He got the worst
bro.
job.
He's like, you know, I got you.
What y'all do? He said he wants to pay for it too.
He said he got a
It's
lot
like,
of money.
alright, bro, you got money, alright.
Yeah, I'm charging that nigga
Like,
extra.
eat, bro. He ain't do nothing wrong.
I thought he was coming in for a lick. That's the crazy part about it. So he really just brought the captain over there because of the fact that he just got saved from what is his nigga's name is, Sanji.
See, I just don't know how bad the stories are of this guy.
I feel
I feed this guy what happens.
Popeye is wildin'.
No bullshit.
He's a bitch.
Yeah, yo.
You're a bitch.
But the thing is though, if Don Krieg like fucked this shit up, shipped up like mad times, I don't blame that dude for feeling that way, bro. It's like, wait, what?
See, he must have spazzed.
Dude say, yo, I got money. I'm trying to put money in your pocket. I'm trying to eat.
That's a big dude. You know he's gonna buy like 6
service?
plates.
And he bowed down with his head on the floor.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you, yo.
God, thank you.
Fuck Patty, yo.
Like Patty.
Oh yeah, the animation got a little better.
It looks better, right? That's what I thought at the beginning of the episode.
Yeah, Sanji's the realest nigga in this squad, bro.
He got a different love for food.
Oh.
Nah, he's a gangster for that.
Yeah, right? That's kind of the best way to violate a village. Let me act like the Navy, yo.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
But he looks like he's retired, bro. That boy was on that time like 30 years ago.
Oh, wow. He's a bitch.
Okay, I take back what I said then. Yeah, no, Sanji's now. Yeah, always Luffy first time, yeah.
Nah, that's fucked up.
Yeah, I was hoping he hugged him like this shit smacked and like hugged him, but nah.
I put you on. This what you do? Look again. He's like, that's fucked up.
Don Creed, shit like that. Shit like that. Oh my gosh.
I just made my decision for me now. I know I'm never put in a situation like that. You gonna die, motherfucker. You gonna die, motherfucker.
He was like that there's almost no sign of anybody on that ship, so he probably doesn't have a crew anymore. So he probably really was hungry, but he has anger issues.
Sure, he's trying to make it better for him. It's not a bad person. He's got anger issues.
Yeah, he's a bitch.
That's a tall dude, bro.
うちの船はボロボロになっちまってな。今、船に息のある部下どもが約100人。
Feed all them niggas.
と重傷でくさばってる。あいつらの水と食料を100食分、まず用意してもらおう。すでに餓死者も出ている。
Die in the thirst. Die in the thirst.
Isn't it catching fish or some shit?
It's like, what?
作っている海賊を俺たちの手で増やせってのか。やっことある。
Yeah, at that point, bro, you gonna have to kill me.
Yeah, I just have to fuck you up, bro. That's it.
俺は別に注
Yeah, you can scream all you want,
Where's
bro.
Luffy? You know he's gonna come out of nowhere.
Luffy's on the stairs watching the whole shit.
You better give him the gum, bro.
すばで。
Yo, honestly, if Sanji fiends on this dude, yo, he's my favorite character in the show.
He's definitely what you're saying.
Oh no, he's actually gotta go. That nigga's flexing.
あと1 100人分飯を用意しなきゃならねえ。
He's got. So he's got demoted.
So,
Oh, that's.
So y'all put all that
Interesting weapons.
Yeah, wait. I never seen that in the
A
kitchen.
giant scooper, a giant butter knife.
厨房に入らせるわけにはいかねえ。お前のイカれた行動にはもう付き合いきれねえ。ホップってのはそれでいいんじゃねえ
Oh,
Patty was like, I say less.
のか。おい、こいつを抑えとけ。
Like, no, it's not okay, nigga.
like, yeah, you can't just be doing that. Yeah, we wouldn't be in this situation if it wasn't for Sanji feeding these niggas.
Get hell off to my left front!
Go get the strap. The cannon.
I got the strap on me.
Now, shout out to Patty.
Yeah, Patty came out with the fucking strap, bruh.
うめえんだろうな。ヘボコック。
How, Sway? How?
そまずいデザートだ。
Oh, he got the big straps. What the?
Nigga's dead.
Yeah, dead. Oh,
that was
shit.
fire.
This nigga got the infinity stones?
They're all the same color.
Those fuck up Thanos' bitch ass.
誰よりも強い鋼の腕。俺こそがドンと呼ばれるにふさわしい男。
Don.
I'm confused, bro. How you got all that and but your whole crew starving? I don't get it.
運はあるか。肩と船に運んでやる。お前。
He knows that.
Sure.
Because he knows that. Apparently. Damn, I fuck with this shit, yo. Is Krieg showed up? It is some bullshit to think like, alright, you niggas have money, you have a gold plate, diamond knuckle, machines all up in your armor, and you can't fish or feed any of your crew members.
Rob somebody?
Yeah.
Like
they do it now?
Yeah.
So pretty much your team of pirates are just lazy as fuck.
Yeah.
Because they can't fend for themselves. That's essentially what you're saying. And you're using your power, you're abusing your power as a pirate to run up in the restaurants and be like, yo, give me free food before I kill you.
Bitch.
I'm just laughing because based on his fit, it doesn't even make sense he had all that shit under him. Like, I don't know where the fuck that shit came from, my nigga. He got
like a
whole
shirt
Transformers outfit on.
He did have like a shirt under his cape though, so he was masking the armor.
Yeah, the boat was fucked up though, so maybe that's why they weren't eating, because the whole boat was fucked up. So maybe they was having a problem maneuvering around. The only thing is when Jin went back to get them, they went right there, so it really couldn't have been that.
Yeah, I don't know, bro, because even then, my nigga, if I got that much guns in my suit, bro, I'm forcing somebody to fix my shit a long time ago, my nigga. Like, why it take for your mans to get fed for you to go to the restaurant and catch a lick?
Because how do I know where to go? Like, I don't know how the ocean works, but how do I know it? I don't know. Yo, if I'm
You're a pirate, nigga, what? You're a 5,000 fleet, nigga. That's crazy.
And like he went to go get Don Krieg, who looks like he was on the island before this. So it's like, nigga, you couldn't hunt there. You couldn't, you know what I'm saying? I'll fuck around and eat a branch or some shit, nigga, before I start. Fuck that.
There's a lot of vegetation around you and animals around you. You could have did something.
No bullshit.
Could have did something.
No bullshit.
So I know there's one thing coming up that's very fucking lit from what I remember. So I can't wait to watch this shit with you. This shit's turning up One Piece with the whole RTTV gang. You heard. But if it's your first time here, definitely won't be your last. Make sure you kill, murder, and
smash.
Kill subscribe button. It's your boy Wells, the Anime King. Make sure you stay tuned for the next few episodes and all episodes of One Piece.
Ooh.
Yo, what's good, man? I go by the name of DC. Follow me on Instagram, DCZ_WorldRT. Shout out to the whole One Piece gang. And you already know, Luffy was stupid calm this episode. You don't wanna see what happens when Luffy get heated. He was just sitting back like, oh, that's what y'all rock with? Alright.
Tell Kakashi, watch out for I slap off his kufi. I reach after that money with my arms like I'm Luffy.
Don, Krieg,
Patrick.
Patrick.
This coming soon.
Yes, sir.
Yo,
Patrick
listen,
RT,
man.
shut up. Don't even say my full name, my nigga. You can go now, alright?
The fuck, nigga? You just like being yourself too.
Nigga,
Wow.
yo, listen.
Wow.
You know how my arms be out, cook this nigga up like I'm Sanji, nigga.
Oh,
Fuck,
shit.
Come on,
Nigga,
bro.
up like he's Sanji. I hit you in your burrow. You get cut down to 3 different pieces like I'm Zoro.
That was really bad.
Wow,
That was fucking terrible.
Burrow and Zoro.
Wow.
Burrow and Zoro didn't rhyme?
He needs a
All
replay.
I have to say is, I'm the man, the myth, the maniac, Wilkins_RT, and I only take orders from new
Just quit. It's cool.
I'm tired. I'm over.
I'm tired. It's 5 in the afternoon.
Yeah, right. It's the freshman.
What?
I'm sick and tired. I can't think straight.
And I tried so hard.
Well, that settles for that.
The round table.
You know why I stopped that? This shit?
It said that